Looking for a reliable tool to troubleshoot your car's electrical system? The best multimeter for automotive use delivers accurate voltage, current, and resistance readings. Its rugged build, user-friendly interface, and essential safety features make diagnosing vehicle issues faster and easier. After watching the video, be sure to check the links in the description below for each item. Now, let's get started. Number 1. Fluke 15B Plus Digital Multimeter. The Fluke 15B Plus Digital Multimeter is a reliable and rugged choice for technicians and advanced DIYers who need a versatile tool for residential, commercial, or automotive electrical systems. Built with a Cat 3 600V safety rating, this meter ensures peace of mind when working on common household or small business circuits, protecting both the user and the equipment from transient spikes. Its ability to measure AC and DC voltage up to 1000 V gives it a much broader range than most entry-level multimeters, making it equally at home diagnosing an automotive alternator or checking voltage at an electrical panel. The unit's capacity to measure AC and DC current up to 10A allows for accurate diagnostics of overloading, short circuits, or faulty wiring, which can save time and prevent costly errors. Essential functions such as resistance, continuity, and capacitance further expand its usefulness for troubleshooting diverse systems like HVAC, appliances, or electronics. The dedicated input terminal for 10A current measurements improves accuracy and minimizes lead changes during tasks. Users appreciate the straightforward interface, crisp display, and Fluke's proven build quality, which includes strong input protection and clear labeling. This multimeter's auto-ranging feature simplifies operation for newcomers, while still allowing manual range selection for experienced technicians who want tighter control. Number 2. Fluke 87V Industrial Digital Multimeter. The Fluke 87V Industrial Digital Multimeter is widely regarded as the gold standard for industrial maintenance and troubleshooting. Designed to handle the demanding environments of manufacturing plants, power distribution panels, and motor drive systems, it carries a Cat 3 1000V and Cat 4 600V safety rating for superior protection. Its hallmark feature is the ability to take accurate frequency readings on adjustable speed drives, ASDs, thanks to a Fluke-designed low-pass filter, which filters out unwanted noise that confuses lesser meters. With peak capture capability as fast as 250 microseconds, the 87V can catch elusive transients and intermittents that could otherwise go unnoticed, a vital advantage in diagnosing industrial control circuits or high-speed switching devices. The switchable high display resolution from 6,000 to 20,000 counts lets users zoom in on small changes and readings, perfect for fine-tuning equipment or verifying calibration drift. Measuring up to 1000 VAC and DC extends its versatility to heavy-duty applications, while its rugged construction withstands rough handling and challenging job sites. The large backlit display, intuitive rotary selector, and robust input jacks add to the ease of use even with gloves on. Number 3. FNIRSI 2C53P Oscilloscope Multimeter. The FNIRSI 2C53P Oscilloscope Multimeter is a compact yet powerful hybrid instrument that merges a two-channel digital oscilloscope with a high-resolution multimeter. Featuring a 250 ms sampling rate and 50 MHz bandwidth, it captures fast-changing signals accurately, making it suitable for both analog and digital electronics work. Its 19,999 count multimeter function offers 5 key measurement values along with max and min display to provide detailed numeric analysis. The bright 4.3-inch IPS touchscreen, 480 by 272 resolution, allows intuitive navigation, waveform viewing, and parameter adjustment, which is a refreshing change from traditional button-driven interfaces. A built-in DDS signal generator outputs 12 waveform types with frequencies up to 10 MHz, enabling you to inject test signals into circuits without needing a separate generator. The device's FPGA plus MCU plus ADC hardware architecture ensures responsive waveform capture and smooth operation, while support for waveform storage, review, and export adds post-measurement flexibility. Efficiency features such as one-key auto setup, multiple trigger modes, auto, normal, single, and FFT spectrum analysis make it easier to diagnose periodic and non-periodic signals as well as estimate harmonic content. Number 4. Klein MM420 Digital Multimeter. The Klein MM420 Digital Multimeter is a feature-rich mid-range meter designed for electricians, HVAC technicians, and maintenance professionals who require versatility and safety. Measuring AC/DC voltage up to 600 V, current up to 10A, and resistance up to 50 megaohms, it covers the essential parameters for most residential and light industrial tasks. Additional functions like continuity, temperature, capacitance, frequency and duty cycle, and diode testing make it a one-stop instrument for HVAC troubleshooting, appliance repair, and general electrical maintenance. A standout safety feature is the lead alert protection system. LEDs near the input jacks illuminate to indicate proper test lead placement, reducing the chance of incorrect connections and ensuring more accurate results. The large backlit LCD display enhances visibility in low-light conditions, while auto-ranging and true RMS technology provide precise measurements across varying loads and signal types. Convenience touches such as rear test lead holders, an integrated kickstand, and compatibility with optional magnetic hangers, CAT number 6945 or 6917, enable hands-free operation, freeing you to manipulate probes or adjust equipment. Number 5. FNIRSI DMT99 Digital Multimeter. The FNIRSI Digital Multimeter blends smart technology with practical measurement features, making it an appealing option for electronics enthusiasts and repair professionals. One of its standout capabilities is the recording mode, which plots measured value fluctuations over time, ideal for monitoring voltage or current ripple and identifying intermittent issues. Up to 8 measured values can be recorded simultaneously, with max and min readings clearly displayed for quick reference. Its monitoring mode lets you set custom voltage thresholds. The meter issues an alert if the reading exceeds or drops below the preset level, providing real-time protection for sensitive circuits. Powered by a built-in 1500 mAh rechargeable battery, it eliminates the hassle and cost of disposable cells and recharges easily via Type-C, extending field usability. Intelligent Mode automatically identifies the measurement type and selects the optimal range, taking much of the guesswork out of multimeter operation for both novices and seasoned users. The DMT99 covers most common diagnostic tasks. Dual ceramic fuse protection enhances user safety, while its compact form factor and intuitive menu system speed up troubleshooting. Applicable to automotive, home appliance, and general electronics repair, this intelligent multimeter offers a modernized, more efficient approach to everyday electrical testing. Like the video, hit the subscribe button, and press the bell icon.